Hi, are you ready to learn some new words? In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. The base word in this video is make. Here are some words related to the base word. Makeup, makeover, maker, makes, remake, shoemaker, peacemaker, dressmaker. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. You have to make a choice. She is doing my makeup. We are doing a home makeover. He is a furniture maker. Shopping makes her happy. That movie is a remake. My brother is a shoemaker. Always try to be a peacemaker. The dressmaker is making school uniforms. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.